We've made over $7,000 this week day trading our Tradeify accounts. We had 0 red days this week. We're going to cover that in this video. But before we do, fam, we're live right here at the New York Open day trade, the NASDAQ. You see my green days, my red days, my full tilt moments, everything that involves me as a trader. You see live right here on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button and also hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm and helps your boy out. Also, if you want to get involved with a free Take Profit account giveaway, all you got to do is go to tradewithjoey.com, link down in the description, go to the giveaways tab, and you'll see a form to fill out to enter the giveaway. I'm going to announce the winners in Discord on Monday. So after you submit this form, also be sure to watch how to enter. You have to enter, you have to put in giveaway in the subject line here, but be sure to watch how to enter and then join up on Discord because that's where then winners will be announced. All you can do is click that link. And then of course, if you want to get 30% off straight to funded accounts with Tradeify, you see the code right there in the corner of your screen, code JM. Use that, load them up and trade them with me, baby. With that said, let's get in the video. We have made $7,000 in our Tradeify accounts this week. We have not had a single red day, all green days this week. And we did it trading micros. You can see micros. All of my trades have been micros. And we're going to break down a couple of trades in this video just to go over some trades that I took and what I did to make this $7,000. We'll break down yesterday's trade as well as today's trade. Today was a banger trade, especially with all that volatility and those dips that we had. But we're going to cover all of that here in this video. One thing I want to be clear about here is some of these, it says a lot of trades, like 32 trades, 45 trades. I didn't take 45 trades in a single day. These are across 4 accounts, but also it counts as when I scale in and out of micros, it counts that as individual trades. And so realistically, this trade here or this day where it says 45 trades is probably about 5 or 6 trades, actual like round trip trades. But again, it just counts as like a scale in and out. But let's go to the chart here. We're going to break down a couple of these trades that I took. One of them was on Thursday, which was a really good trade that we took here. We're going to go to Thursday. One thing I want to point out here, if I go to my sessions and just kind of color code what each individual session did, this green here is London, right? So you can see that London as well as Asia, right? But on London high here, this held a lot of weight in the market on Thursday. You can see that we came up here, we rejected London, sold back off. Here we consolidated right at London high again and sold back off. We finally broke it and then sold back off again, right? So London high was playing some significant levels during Thursday's New York Open. And so what happened on my short for Thursday is this move happened, continued to rise up. The NASDAQ snapped the London high here, okay? NASDAQ snapped London high, but indicated a little bit of weakness. And in my head, I'm thinking, okay, if we get a little bit of weakness after snapping London high and we are acting like we're going to get back below it, chances are we're probably going to come back down because we're unable to find the strength to have continuation higher above that London level. And so that's exactly what happened. We snapped London high. We came back down within London high here. And that's where I took my short on stream on YouTube and wrote it back down. So you can go to my YouTube stream. You can verify this trade. We rode this trade down, continued to trail our stop. Overall, it ended up being, we took it on, I think 3 micros. It ended up being like a $300 something odd dollar trade. But we just continue to trail our stop as we moved lower after failing London high. Now, going back into today, we took a short that was an absolute banger. Okay. If I go to the 1 minute here, let's go to where we had the first initial drop. Okay. So after this first initial drop, we sat out of all of this. We did not take any trades during this massive move. Where we took our short was here. Now, I want to be clear. I took 2 shorts. One of them ended up getting stopped out for like a $70 loss, right? I took 3 micros short. I believe it was right here. And then, yeah, it's a 784. But got stopped out as we broke these wicks. I wanted to keep a tight stop because I knew the volatility was there. I knew that with it being NFP, we could run up even higher. And so I wanted to make sure that I managed my risk. And so I kept that stop just above the high here on this wick. And it did end up wicking me out and then showing more signs of weakness. So I did end up re-entering that short and added to my position. So I ended up being short 6 micros on this and rode this down as we broke the lows. I took 3 off as we broke the lows here. Took 3 micros off and left my final 3 running and trailed my stop and ended up getting stopped out, I believe around like 708. So this was overall a banger short. That was my pretty much trade for the day. I didn't touch the markets after that. That was about a $570 trade that we took on micro. It's about a 70 point move that we took on that short. And so that helped us really secure the bag today. 2.1K on the day between 4 accounts, ending the week at $7,000 in total profits across all accounts with Tradeify. If you want to get that 30% off with Tradeify, use code JM. You see at the corner of your screen there. With that said, if you guys like this kind of content, smash that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, get more daily content, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.